apply even if you don't think you're ready or you don't think you're qualified, because nobody's really ready for their first internship.
If someone's looking for an internship for the summer, MGK has so many different internships ranging from things like sales to supply chain to even like chemistry and agronomy. So there's really something for every major, and I'd say the community here has been super amazing. Everyone's super accommodating, and even the hiring and onboarding process has been super easy, and I've been loving my time here, and I really think there's someone here for everyone.
My name is Claire View, and I'm a sophomore at the University of Minnesota Twin Cities, and this summer I am interning in the agronomy department here at MGK. My supervisor has really helped me to understand the more technical concepts of what the projects I'm working on, such as learning about the plant breeding principles, as well as like how to set up a data sheet.
My name is Evan Shaw, and I am a finance and accounting intern. This internship is probably different from others, considering you will learn a lot more than other internships. I have friends that are in other companies that don't necessarily do that much work because they are in a bigger company. The best part about working with MGK is that you get to work in a company that you can feel involved in what you're doing, and you can feel that you're a valuable asset to the team.
Being mentored and guided through this internship process allowed me to actually learn things and not just be on my own out in the middle of like this field. A lot of the things that I've learned here are going to be used no matter where I go in any field. And even if I'm not directly working with a business like this, a lot of the practices, a lot of the technical skills that I've learned can translate to every single aspect of my career.